Sometimes learners, when they're typing, may accidentally leave the Shift key or the caps lock key, and what that means is when they type, their document is in uppercase, as you can see in example here. But there's a nice quick and easy way to change that, and the first thing I'm going to do is press the Control and A key, so Control and A, and that will select the text. So Control and A to select the text. Now to change the sentence case is easy, so next thing to do is press the Shift key, so the Shift and the F3 key, so Shift and F3. So that's lowercase and sentence case. So I'm just toggling with the Shift and F3 and toggling through the various ones. So if I see a student who's started typing and everything's in lowercase, very easy just to quickly change from uppercase to sentence case.